Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to another video. Wow, it's been a very long time since I said that phrase. I haven't said that phrase in basically 2 months now. I've taken a hiatus from posting on socials because your girl is pregnant. Yeah, so this video is basically just me kind of getting back in the routine of things, bringing some maintenance back to my life, caring about my hair again, getting my nails done, getting my toes done, because your girl has been in the trenches for the past 2 months. I'm not sure how many of my followers actually have been pregnant or have a baby, is a mom, but if you don't know, the first trimester will take you out. And I was taken out of the game. I genuinely was taken out of the game. There was no way I could do anything. I remember when I first found out I was pregnant, I immediately fell sick and didn't wash my hair for a month. And y'all know I am one to keep up with my hair care routine. I am one to always make sure my hair is done, moisturized, protected. Your girl didn't touch her hair for an entire month. And yeah, so I'm really happy to be back. This is my first video back and we're back in the game. I've missed you guys so much. I've gotten a few DMs from you guys. I've gotten some comments from you guys telling me how much you guys miss me, which makes me feel good because you can definitely fall in this kind of this space where you don't feel like people are really checking for you, or like you're not on people's mind, or like if I step away, won't nobody notice? Like it's not like people really don't care in a sense. And you guys have really shown me that, no, y'all, we care about you, Tyra. Like we really do. So I really appreciate all the sweet messages and all the people who've checked in on me. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back, y'all. I had to literally blow off my camera, both my cameras, because I hadn't charged them. I haven't touched them. Like this is the first time of me recording and touching a camera since I put it down 2 months ago. And I'm just happy to be back. I'm so grateful. Let's go ahead and get into my hair. I started off with my hair in these dusty, crusty, plait, these like, they were twaids. I basically started off with my hair in twaids. Basically, they were braided for about an inch and then twisted the rest of the way down. I had that style in for about 2 months because, not 2 months, I'm tripping, like 2 weeks, which is like my normal protective style that I, keep in. But they were dusty. I did a lot of sweating in them. I went on a whole hike in them. So they were definitely time to calm down. And I ended up washing my hair with Amika Hydro Rush. I just wanted some moisture infused back into my hair, some hydration infused back in my hair. And what better product to use than a Hydro Rush product by Amika. If you haven't tried Amika Hydro Rush, it's pretty darn good. You should try it. I'm kind of getting my hands back into, like using Amika because I have so much Amika products. If you guys don't know, I am an ambassador for Amika. So I have tons of Amika products that I don't really touch often because I'm always trying out other products. But I'm trying to start using my products more. So I'm like, okay, let's start focusing on Amika Hydro Rush. And then we'll move into like the Cure line. And then we'll probably move into like the Orange line, which I'm not the biggest fan of the Orange line as much, to be honest. So the Cure and Hydro Rush are like my favorite too. I just did a simple wash, just a simple shampoo and conditioner. My hair felt so revived. When it came down to detangling, I realized that I grabbed the wrong brush to detangle, and I'm literally just now realizing this as I'm speaking to you guys. I have been using a new detangling brush that I got sent in PR while I was away, and it's I think it's called the Amania Beauty detangling brush. That's what I've been using, but for some reason I grabbed my D38 dimming brush, and I really don't ever use that brush to like during wash day. That's a brush that I kind of use like post wash day when I'm detangling. It definitely got the job done, but I do enjoy using my Mania detangling brush, which we'll get into another video because I have tried some new stuff while I was away. So we'll talk about that in another video. I went straight to styling per usual. I used my Sacred on my edges because you guys know I am trying to regrow the front half of my hair from it getting broken off when I went to go get a facial. I used my, what else did I use? I'm like blanking right now. I'll put on the screen. Everything that I used. And I basically just twisted my hair in its natural state, which is something that I have not done in a long time. I have gotten in a habit of twisting my hair blown out. Like ever since I kind of changed up my routine, which I posted a video about that, it's been some months now. Any single time I touch my hair, I always blow my hair out. So I guess you can consider myself a blow dry natural for the most part, but I don't really wear my hair in a blown out state. I just always stretch it before I do a style. But this go around, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just do some chunky twist and put it, in a little bun. And I realized really quickly why I don't do that anymore. I just feel like I pop so much hair when my hair is in its natural state. And honestly, the twist didn't come out the way that the twist wasn't really eating because I just don't really wear my hair, shrunken up, twisted anymore. But this is how my hair looks post like 2 or 3 days. I have it in a bun. Bun is kind of wacky, but I just wanted to kind of be up and out the way. So I like to wear my twist in a bun. That's just my prerogative. I like to do that. I will say that my hair is really, really soft though. I use the Briogeo leave-in protein like defining cream, which was my first time ever using that product. It left my hair really, really soft. Like my hair is super soft. Even like to the touch to this day, it just feels softer than normal, which I loved. Once I finished my hair, I finally moved on to getting my nails done. Y'all know your girl keeps her nails done. Over the past 2 months, I have been in a nail drought where I wasn't really inspired or I didn't really have a sense of what I wanted. So I was just getting anything. I literally have not liked my nails up until today because everything I was getting, it's like my brain was just like, not itself. It really wasn't itself. So I was just getting random stuff. But today's nails, they eat so bad. I was inspired by wanting just like a clean French tip, which is like kind of like my go-to in general. But what makes this different is that I wanted a pink base. I will go ahead and let you guys enjoy this nail portion of the video because it's really calming and relaxing to watch people get their nails done. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and I'll see you guys at the end. Now that we're at the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I really feel ready to get back into the filming schedule. Going forward, I don't really know how my schedule is going to look or if I even will post as many videos as I was posting throughout the week. So be patient with me as I get my feet wet again. But I will tell you, I already have the next video planned out. I'm going to be doing a Q&A on my page, just so you guys can catch up with my life and see what's been going on, why I was, for the people who don't know, again, why I was gone. You know, you can literally ask anything. So if you want for me to answer like any question that you have, DM me. I'll put a community post up on YouTube so you can go and type your question in and I'll be answering that in the next video while I open up PR that I got over the past 2 months. Bella's back. I miss you guys so much. I'm over the moon. I'm so happy to be back. I love you guys. What do I normally say when I end a video? I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see you back with another video soon. Bye. Mwah.